Adobe recently updated Adobe Captivate 9, and you can check for updates through the Help menu. You just go to Help and you choose Updates, and the update is free. Download it, install, and one of the nicest long-awaited new features that I love in this new, basically minor update to Captivate is ruler guides. Now, if you're a desktop publisher and you've used programs like Adobe InDesign or QuickExpress, or even if I date myself, Adobe PageMaker, you're familiar with ruler guides. If you're not, ruler guides basically allow you to line up slide elements without having to eyeball them or use the old alignment features for objects that has been around in Captivate for years. So to use ruler guides, you go to the View menu first of all, and you choose Show Rulers. Now, rulers are new right away, and you've got your 0 point here in the upper left of the slide. Several ways to add ruler guides. First of all, you can double-click on the ruler anywhere. This is the horizontal ruler, and this is the vertical ruler. So I'm going to double-click at 260 on the horizontal ruler, and I quickly get a guide. See that? The guide can be repositioned, drag left and right. If you don't want the guide, you can go to the View menu and choose Clear Guides. You can also drag ruler guides by going to the ruler itself and dragging down. You see, I'm going to line up the ruler guide with this little fella's feet, like so. Now the idea is I want this little girl's feet to be on the guide. So I simply take the young lady here and drag her up, and you see how the purple means I'm snapping to the guide. And when I let go, she's on the guide. I can use my nudge control with my arrow keys to kind of move her over, and you've got a brother-sister kind of relationship happening here. Love it. Other ways to add guides. Let me go ahead and clear them. View, Clear Guides. I can go to my View menu and choose New Guide. That brings up the New Guide dialog box, and I can choose vertical or horizontal ruler. And specifically, where do I want the ruler to appear, the ruler guide? I'll click OK after choosing 6. And there is my guide, which I can reposition if I need to. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this guide as well. View, Clear Guides. Another way to add multiple guides would be to View, Create Multiple Guides. Type in the number of guides I want. I've already typed in 2 and 2 to save a little bit of time. Click OK, and I get guides like that. You might also want to change the color of the guides, and doing that is relatively easy. You go to your preferences. In Windows, you go to Edit and choose Preferences. If you're on a Macintosh, it's the Adobe Captivate menu and then Preferences. In the Defaults category, there's a new default guide color area. Simple enough. Pick a different color. Click OK, and the guides change in your project.